Hello world, this is Kevin Law with Protech Construction Group, Protech Metal Buildings, and I'm here with Miss Victoria Barreras, and we're going to look at a project that we did a couple years back. So would you like to talk a little bit about your project?
Yeah, sure. We built this project for my mother so that way she'd be close to us on our farm in Ocala. And when it was completed and done, I thought it'd be really nice for people to be able to see what it turned out like. We love it, so we'd like to come in and show everybody.
Great. So here we are inside the mother-in-law suite. This is a metal building, keep in mind. But what I really wanted to convey to the audience is that these buildings can still feel very homey, okay? And they have a nice open feel when they're done correctly. So as you can see, we use the high ceilings in here, so it gives it a really big open feel. The floor plan is only a little over 900 square feet, so it's not that big, but we're able to make a big space in here. And as you can see, all the finishes, they came out pretty nice, and it makes it feel like a nice home in here, okay? So we handle everything for you. I mean, you want somebody that's going to be able to come in when you're picking out a contractor. You want to make sure the contractor is able to tie everything together as far as, you know, your structure being sound and passing all the codes, the relevant codes. And also you want to make sure that the inside living area is going to be a nice, comfortable place for you to live. And I think that's what we did here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Some of the things that I liked is the high ceilings. One of my mom's loves, because she did antiquing, was having the blue plateware. And because of the space, we were able to do those little things for her that would make her happy. She also loved paintings and portraits, and we were able to put a lot of that up on the wall because we have the wall space because of the way the project was done.
Right here we've got the washer dryer right here, just kind of tucked away.
Nice vanity space for one person with a mirror and the lights. And we wanted to make this large so later on, because she is older, if we ever had to use a wheelchair or she needed help with ambulation, then we would be able to do that, which this is just perfect for. We have a large walk-in shower with beautiful glass.
This right here is a little niche, so this way all the soap and shampoo and things are accessible very easily for you right here. We put these grab bars in and we make sure they're attached to the structure very well. I mean, these things aren't going anywhere. I mean, I've been doing dips in here for the past 15 years. We're here in the master bedroom, okay? It's connected to the master bath right here. And there's a few things I wanted to talk about in this room, such as the lighting. You know, we have a ceiling fan hanging down right here in the center. We've got also 4 can lights here, and we have a split unit right here. This is a mini split, so I get asked that a lot. For me, it's the square footage. If it's under 1,000 square foot and it's relatively small amount of rooms, then we're gonna go with the mini split system. It's just more efficient that way. Once you get it past 1,000 square feet, you got a bunch of rooms, then we're gonna go with the traditional split unit where you have a condenser unit outside and an air handler inside. But for this, the air handler works great, or the mini split, I'm sorry, the mini splits work great in the small space. So this is actually a 1-bedroom with an office. This is the office space or bonus room. This could also be, as you can see, I mean, it's big enough, it can be a bedroom. And we also kept the high ceilings in here too, so it gives you a big open feel. You know, what do you think about this space?
This space has worked out really well because my children will come over and spend some time with their grandmother. So it's big enough for a trundle bed, so we can pull it out and they both can stay here overnight. Or also she has a lot of friends from overseas from the length of time she was a flight attendant. So when they come and visit, they can stay here and they can be really comfortable. Everything about life is making my mother happy, and building this barn did that, so that makes me happy. The kids, in fact, are knocking down the door to come and move in here whenever they can, because it's such a nice place.
Building these Bardominiums is a real passion of mine. I mean, I really love helping people to see their vision, their dreams, and bring it all to reality. I mean, this is just, it really drives me to give someone a great product.